You're not going to do more. We have found right now.
Carl, when we took Jim down there, they took his ass out in the middle of the dance floor, 5 of them, and was dancing his ass.
Say hi to the camera.
I don't remember seeing him. I don't remember.
I know you don't.
Look at running on. It's gone.
Bojangles, say hi.
Hey, in the house. You gonna put that shit on
On Facebook?
YouTube.
The police out here.
YouTube is different than Facebook.
Wait on my shit.
Your ass gonna be front and center, Carl. You say your ass gonna be front and center. What's that?
I'm sitting on the hill. That's what that is.
Tuffy don't know he gonna be on YouTube.
Tuffy.
I got my cousin gonna have up.
It's gonna be on YouTube. The whole world can already see it.
It's too late.
Don't get started. Don't get started. Put me on. Evil Knievel.
What the hell Evil Knievel got to do with it?
I don't know, but don't put me on you. Don't get started.
It's too late now.
Unit. Look, I gotta go get some fish.
Hey, Pop. Say hi. Everybody in America gonna see you. Everybody in America gonna see you.
Everybody in America want me.
Gonna see you.
I want everybody in America.
Everybody in America gonna see you. For real. You gonna be on YouTube. On YouTube. That's the internet. They gonna see you.
All right.
Say hey.
Hi.
Say hi, Barack Obama.
I just gotta think this out.
I'm on my sweet mother-in-law.
That's me he's talking about. Okay. That's me.
You got something good.
Yeah. I'm gonna sing on here one day. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna sing and I'm gonna put it on the internet. All right, that's enough. You can see our yard and our car and our house and everything. All right, stop.